Welcome to 1503 Shirley Avenue, Carlisle, PA. This home is just listed on the market for $295,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. It has hardwood floors throughout the 3 bedrooms, the living area, which is complete with a pellet stove. A full basement is partially finished. The laundry is down there as well as additional storage. The backyard is almost 0.4 acres. Paver patio out back, lots of options for entertaining or gardening. My favorite part about the location of this house is its proximity to miles and miles of Dickinson trails, the Dickinson fields, the soccer fields, the baseball fields, and the lacrosse fields. Just a short bike ride from the house, you can be at the Carlisle pump track. And as you can see, it's a really cool place to ride your bike or one wheel. I'm Heather with the Heather Neidlinger Olivia Henneman team. Come check out my listing, 1503 Shirley Lane, Carlisle, PA.